Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which country recently presented Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the key to the city of Buenos Aires? Right answer is option C, Argentina. Who was honored with the Lokmanya Tilak National Award 2025? Right answer is option A, Nitin Gadkari. Who has become the first Indian lawyer to receive the World Law Congress honor for child rights? Right answer is option B, Bhuvan Ribhu. Who received the Face of Asia Award at the 38th Busan International Film Festival 2025? Right answer is option A, Huma Qureshi. Which Indian app was awarded the UN WSIS Champion Award 2025 in Geneva? Right answer is option A, Meri Panchayat app. How many persons were conferred with the Bharat Ratna Award 2024? Right answer is option B, 5. Who has been honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2023 in September 2025? Right answer is option B, Mohanlal. Which Indian filmmaker bagged the Best Director award in the Horizonte section at the 82nd Venice Film Festival? Right answer is option A, Anuparna Roy. The Aga Khan Award 2025 is associated with which of the following fields? Right answer is option B, architecture. Who was honored with the International Culture Award 2024 for her exceptional contributions to education and social service? Correct answer is option A, Meena Charanda. Who jointly won the Best Actor award at the 71st National Film Awards 2023? Right answer is option D, both A and B, Shah Rukh Khan and Vikrant Massey. Which Indian city secured the top position in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan Awards 2025 among million plus population cities? Right answer is option C, Indore. Which organization received the Digital Payments Award 2025 from Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman? Correct answer is option A, India Post Payments Bank. Who among the following received the Pulitzer Prize 2025 for breaking news reporting? Correct answer is option B, the Washington Post staff. How many individuals were awarded the Padma Awards 2025 by President Draupadi Murmu on Republic Day? Correct answer is option B, 139. Who has become the first Indian player to win the Polygraphs Magic Skill Award 2025? Right answer is option B, Deepika Sehrawat. Who bagged the 2025 Global Best Magic Creator Award at the FISM World Championship of Magic? Correct answer is option A, Suhani Shah. Who has been conferred the PV Narasimha Rao Memorial Award for Economics in September 2025? Right answer is option B, Manmohan Singh. The Pulitzer Prize 2025 was presented in which of the following areas? Right answer is option B, journalism and the arts. Who became the first foreign leader to be honored with the Order of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, PM Narendra Modi. Who received the Mental Health Award 2025 for her work in shaping global mental health? Right answer is option B, Saima Wazid. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was awarded the Grand Cross of the Order of Macarius III by which nation in 2025? Right answer is option B, Cyprus. Who secured the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction in the year 2025? Right answer is option C, Percival Everett. Who won the Grammy Award for Song of the Year in 2025? Right answer is option A, Kendrick Lamar. President Draupadi Murmu was recently awarded the City Key of Honor in which European capital city? Right answer is option A, Lisbon. Which organization has become the first Indian entity to receive the Ramon Magsaysay Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Foundation to Educate Girls. Who were conferred with the Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award on 17th January 2025? Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Praveen Kumar, Harmanpreet Singh, D. Gukesh, and Manu Bhakir. Who has been crowned as the Miss Universe India 2025? Right answer is option C, Manika Vishwakarma. Who received the Gold Mercury 2025 award for peace and stability? Correct answer is option A, Dalai Lama. Which film was honored with the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards 2025? Right answer is option A, 12th Fail. The United Nations Mandela Award 2025 was jointly conferred upon which personalities? Right answer is option B, Brenda Reynolds and Kennedy Odede. Which country honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross in 2025? Right answer is option B, Brazil. Which country honored PM Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushana? Right answer is option C, Sri Lanka. MS Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace 2025 was conferred upon Ademola Adenle. He belongs to which country? Right answer is option B, Nigeria. What is the name of the Kannada short story that won the International Booker Prize 2025, authored by Banu Mushtaq? Right answer is option B, Heart Lamp. Who was honored with the 59th Gnanpith Award for his significant contribution to Hindi literature? Correct answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Right option is B, Chandrika Tandon. Who received the Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana, the country's highest civilian award? Right answer is option B, Narendra Modi. Who was crowned as the 72nd Miss World in the year 2025? Right answer is option C, Opal Sujata Chongsri. Who won the 2025 Abel Prize among Japanese mathematicians? Correct answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. The 2025 World Food Prize was awarded to Dr. Mariangela Hungria. She hails from which country? Correct answer is option C, Brazil. Who received the Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 from the UK government? Right answer is option C, Chiranjeevi. After the UK, which country awarded PM Narendra Modi with its highest honor, the Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger Award? Right answer is option A, Nigeria. Who was named the ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct option is A, Smriti Mandana. Who was honored with the Ramsar Wetland Wise Use Award as the first Indian recipient? Correct answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Who were the winners of the 58th Gnanpith Award 2025? Right answer is option B, Gulzar and Jagatguru Rambhadracharya. Which film won the Best Film Award at IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C, Lapata Ladies. Which state was honored with the Best Agriculture State Award for 2024? Correct option is B, Maharashtra. Which country awarded PM Modi with the Order of Mubarak Al Kabir? Correct answer is option C, Kuwait. Which film won the Oscar for Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards in 2025? Right answer is option C, Anora. Who received the Most Impactful Environmentalist Award on World Environment Day 2025? Right answer is option C, Acharya Prashant. Who received the prestigious 2024 Sastra Ramanujan Prize? Correct answer is option B, Alexander Dunn. Who has been honored with the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award 2025? Right answer is option C, R.K. Sriram Kumar. Who has been conferred with the Pen Pinter Prize 2025 for her literary contribution? Right answer is option C, Laila Abu Laila. Who was crowned 73rd Miss Universe in 2024? Correct answer is option C, Victoria Kher Thelwig. Who has been honored with the Global Anti Racism Champion Award for 2025 among Nepali activists? Right answer is option B, Urmila Chaudhary. Who won the Miss Universe India 2024 title? Correct answer is option A, Riya Singha. Who received the 2024 Sahitya Academy Award in English for the book Spirit Nights? Correct answer is option D, Easterine Kair. Which country has conferred its highest civilian honor, the Order of Excellence, upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option C, Guyana. Who was presented with the Nritya Kalanidhi Award for 2024? Right answer is option C, Neena Prasad. Who was awarded the Rohini Nayar Prize 2024 for promoting STEM education in rural India? Correct answer is option A, Anil Pradhan. Who received the 2025 United Nations Population Award for her tireless efforts against sex selective abortions and for promoting gender equality? Right answer is option A, Varsha Deshpande. How many individuals were presented with the Goldman Environmental Prize in 2025? Right answer is option C, 7. Who was honored with the prestigious Princess of Asturias Sports Award in 2025? Right answer is option A, Serena Williams. Who has been selected for the 34th Saraswati Samman 2024? Right answer is option B, Bhadresh Das Swami. Which Indian economist and scientist was honored with the G.P. Birla Memorial Award in July 2025? Right answer is option B, V. Narayanan. Who is the first footballer ever to be awarded the US Presidential Medal of Freedom? Correct answer is option B, Lionel Messi. Who was inducted as the 11th Indian cricketer into the ICC Hall of Fame? Right answer is option C, MS Dhoni. Which Indian author won the Pen Translates Award for Once Elephants Lived Here? Right answer is option B, Geetanjali Shri. Who was honored with the Lata Deenanath Mangeshkar Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Kumar Mangalam Birla. Who received the 2024 Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development? Correct answer is option A, Michelle Bachelet. Who was honored with the UNEP Champions of the Earth Lifetime Achievement Award in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Madhav Gadgil. Who was awarded the Palme d'Or at the 78th Cannes Film Festival? Correct answer is option C, Jafar Panahi. Who won the Digital Transformation Award in March 2025? Correct answer is option A, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Who became the first musician of Indian origin to win the American Music Award in 2025? Right answer is option A, Raja Kumari. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.